You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, or this word. It's actually both. It's the name of a city in Arizona, and it's also a Spanish word meaning table. In Spanish it's said as mesa, meaning table, a table, mesa, una mesa. Now, if you're looking at how to say the name of the city in Arizona, Mesa is how it's normally said in American English. Mesa, Mesa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.